Hi, this is Andy with TEC, the Elevator Consultants, looking at a newly modernized car top. This car top has a brand new GAL MOVFR 2 door operator. It's a great door operator, works well, it was a good choice. The second part of this, the car top, is they refurbished the slide guides. They didn't redo them, they didn't change them out, they didn't make them roller guides, which you don't have to all the time. It depends on what you want to do with your project, what type of ride quality you're looking for with the elevator. So that's why these slide guides were not changed out. But overall, car top is done. They have a new inspection station and door operators in place. Thank you for checking out this video. Please check out our other videos. If you'd like more information on our company for the Elevator Consultants, you can look at tecvt.com or theelevatораpp.com. Thank you.